In the early 1990s, the Croatian company RH developed a new assault rifle called APS-95, which was intended to replace the Yugoslavian M70 assault rifle in the military. It is said that the rifle was an improvement based on the Israeli Galil assault rifle, while others believe it was based on the South African R4 assault rifle, as Croatia had obtained R4 rifles during the independence war a few years prior. The basic structure of the APS-95 is indeed similar to the Galil rifle, as both use a long-stroke gas piston operation. However, the APS-95 receiver is not milled but made using a stamping process. On the left side of the receiver, there is a safety switch that the shooter can reach with their thumb while gripping the rifle, allowing for switching between safety, semi-automatic, and fully automatic modes. The rifle fires 5.56 by 45 mm ammunition and uses a 35-round detachable curved magazine made of polymer, believed to be from materials obtained from South Africa. The rifle has a barrel length of 450 mm and a theoretical maximum firing rate of 650 rounds per minute. The designers redesigned the rifle's handguard and grip, with a pistol-style grip similar to the M16 assault rifle and finger grooves. The rifle also has a skeleton-type stock at the rear which can be folded to the right side of the rifle without affecting other components' operation, allowing for normal firing while folded. These cosmetic changes make the APS-95 look very different from the Galil rifle. The carrying handle structure of the APS-95 is similar to the August assault rifle, fixed to the receiver cover and incorporating a 1.5x optical sight without reticle markings, just a circle and with an effective aiming range of 400 meters. Despite the optical sight, the rifle still has backup iron sights. Optional accessories for the rifle include a detachable bipod, sling, bayonet, and a quick detachable RGB 130mm single-shot grenade launcher, allowing users to choose based on the situation. As a modified rifle based on existing firearms, the APS-95 performs well without any noticeable technical flaws. Croatia purchased a small batch in 1995 for equipping its forces, and these assault rifles were used in the conflict that year. They are also said to have been present in the subsequent Yugoslav wars. However, due to Croatia's financial issues, the rifle was not widely adopted, and pictures of it are very rare. The development company did not receive enough domestic orders for the rifle, and the specific quantity of equipment is unknown. They also attempted to expand into the international market, but there is no public information on sales. It is speculated that Libya may have purchased and used the rifle during its civil war. The APS-95 assault rifle weighs 3.8 kilograms unloaded, with a total length of 980 mm and a length of 730 mm when the stock is folded. The barrel length is 450 mm, with a theoretical maximum firing rate of 650 rounds per minute.